Use the substitution x equals to sine square theta to show that this can be written as this. All right, so we have integral sign, then square root sign. X will be replaced with sine square theta upon 1 minus sine square theta. We'll also need to replace dx. So x is equals to sine theta whole squared. Let's derivate this with respect to x. We derivate both sides with respect to x. So 1 equals, this will become 2 sine theta power 1. And then we derivate sine theta again, which gives us cos theta. And times d theta over dx, because we're derivating with respect to x. And we use this rule here. If it is fx power n and we have to derivate it, it becomes n fx power n minus 1 times f prime x. So that's why we derivated the bracket terms cos sine theta again. Okay, now take dx to the other side. So dx equals to 2 sine theta cos theta d theta. So we write that here in place of dx into 2 sine theta cos theta d theta. Okay, so now the denominator becomes cos theta, cos square theta, in fact, from the identity. And then there's a sine square theta into 2 sine theta cos theta d theta. Okay, so this becomes sine theta over cos theta. And uh, cos theta and cos theta gets cancelled. And we get the required form, which is 2 sine square theta d theta. Okay. In the next part, we have to integrate this within the limits 0 to 1 by 4. Let's change 0 and 1 by 4 in terms of theta as well, and then we'll use it as the lower limit and the upper limit here. So x is equals to sine theta whole squared. So when x is 0, then sine theta whole squared, take square root on both sides, we get 0 is equals to sine theta. And when you take sine inverse of 0, you get theta is equals to 0 as well. So the lower limit of the integral will be 0. For the upper limit, we'll write 1 over 4 equals sine theta whole squared. We're going to square root both sides, so half is equals to sine theta. Then theta will be sine inverse half, which is pi by 6, I believe. Yeah, pi by 6. So the upper limit is pi by 6. And inside we have 2 sine square theta. 2 can just come out. 2 sine square theta d theta. All right. Now we cannot integrate sine square theta directly. Instead, we use the help of this double angle identity. Cos 2 theta is equals to 1 minus 2 sine square theta. Make sine square theta the subject, so we get 1 minus cos 2 theta upon 2. And this is what we'll write here. 1 minus cos 2 theta upon 2 is to be integrated within the limit 0 to pi by 6. We're going to cancel this 2 and 2. And now we're going to integrate 1 minus cos 2 theta. So integration of 1 will just be theta minus sine, integration of sine 2 theta is going to be, cos 2 theta is going to be sine 2 theta upon 2, and the limits are pi by 6 and 0. So pi by 6 minus, we get sine pi by 3 upon 2 in one bracket, and then we get a 0 minus 0 after substituting 0. So this gives us pi by 6 minus under root 3 upon 2 as our final answer. Okay, I'm sorry, this will become pi by 4 because there was already a 2 in the denominator. So that's the final answer.